salted water and salty that egg นะคะตัวนี้ fresh เนาะ and if you see the pink egg you know flamingo no flamingo so in Thailand it's a symbol of the century eggs
Oh, yeah.
1,000 years old eggs the color is been dyed in painting so if they don't die the color will be very similar with another so sometimes it's hard to notice that the century egg so they make it pink in Thailand so it's black jelly color inside and if you crab
ร้อนแยบไม่รู้คนนี้มันแยบปากแล้วมัน
ไปแล้ว
แม่หลีมาแล้วจ้ะ
นี่ก็อันน่า you together กันนะคะyeah Team Singapore international team sweet don't be nice sweet mix together like this first mix together like this first very strong sweet okay try to squeeze everything out very thank you ขอบคุณมากค่ะGrandma young too, no? Grandma said, no, come here. I will hide. And after 2 or 3 minutes, and now after 3, 2, 1. Speed, dry meat here. Speed and dry meat here. Okay, alright. Me too, also making curry as a young age. When they're gonna make the curry, I'm just I'm sneaking out. Like this. Okay, but Bangkok people. So we have no space. Yes. Welcome to Thailand. Welcome to Thailand. The line and put back to the tray, please. You have your own now. Yeah. Can open restaurant after? Yeah. And now next, we're gonna get the chicken. Alright? Yeah. 4 pieces, Happy.
Thank you, middag.
Perfect, yes, and if you ever want to taste it, it's very spicy. Just and the bitter flavor come out from the stem. So we remove the stem, and then we put the leaf back to the tray. The cut half long way. You can also use the tip of the knife here. Take out the seed to make it less spicy. But I will keep the seed. I like Thai style. Smells good, very good smell. And in Thailand, we use every part of the green onion because our green onion is very crunchy. Thank you, ขอบคุณค่ะมาดีขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Centimeter clear.
This is tomato.
Yeah,
We cut like this, Good, yeah. And take the stem out a little bit.
so 4 stukken.
What we do with the lime juice, this one, you can squeeze like this, right? But if you have it, the knife, at your home like this, you can use big knife or small knife, squeezing the lime with the back of the knife like this, put the tip inside, and then the lime juice will run in directly. Like this. Okay, like this. And after, use the back of the knife, okay, not the sharp side. And if you see the sharp, if you see something come out, oh, why my lime juice red? Is there something wrong? Maybe you use the wrong side. It's not good. Use the back of the knife. And then no red lime juice. And then put this one inside. Voila! Wow! Gung, gung, gung. Gung, gung, gung. Very fresh, huh? Okay, so we have the drinking. And this soup called Tom Yum Gung, right? Tom Yum. Tom in Thailand. Tom in Thailand means soup. Tom or in another meaning means to boil. Tom Nam, boiling. Thank you. So can make a picture of all of this, nah? Another ingredient for your curry. There's a lot, huh?
So this all we're gonna use, like the seasonings.
This one, but this one just make beautiful.
So this not gonna use.
Yes, this one only this one. But now, but we making green curry, right? Like this. I'm gonna take it out. So this one. Gonna make the curry more smooth and more moist. The sugar there. And now we're gonna get our eggplant go in, okay? I need your help to put maybe 2 to 3 or 4 eggplant inside. Thank you. Yeah. Finger ginger. This is gonna be very flavorful here. The best taste in the green curry is finger ginger. I love this. It's more earthy than the normal ginger. More earthy. Let's give you coconut milk after, but now I will give you the cream first. Purple. You have to drop the acidity inside, so it's changing color. So now I show you in here, so it's gonna be better. Now, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And now shaking a little bit. Magic! 20 baht more. Combine it with the water. Mix a little bit, make it like salty a little bit. And after peel, you soak it in there, pick up. So it will stay yellow, not turning black for 3 hours. So that the restaurant style. Okay, so now, using one hand, scoop up the rice. Use the corner here, fold up the rice a little bit, and making the rice ball. Or you can do heart shape if you like. Heart shape, star shape. Make the rice ball, and then after we put on top of banana leaf like this, and we're gonna sprinkle the salt. Not the salt. This is a salt and bean fry mixing together. Okay. It's a mung bean, mung bean, crunchy already. Okay. Now. I give you back. Yeah. So my hand I washing already. So if I use a glove to touch the mango, it will slip. So I will take the glove out. But promise it's clean, okay? Promise it's clean now. So now what I do? Yeah, you can do. Asking if they can eat flour. You can eat flour, but this one very yummy. Okay. Okay, so now take out the glove, okay? Now we're gonna washing hand.